Hi, and welcome to our 11th Do-It-Yourself podcast on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ, and I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to do this podcast, video number 11, totally different than 1 through 10. Reason being, I would like to give you a quick glance at Excel's many options and choices. What we're going to do today is take a look at this list. Let's take a look at the very first one where it says, first in Excel, take a tour. We all are so busy with everything that we have to do on a daily basis. I did this myself and I didn't take the tour. Okay, don't do that to yourself. Take a few minutes. It's just a few minutes and take the tour. Reason being, you might end up going into Excel and creating a chart that Excel has already created for you. So by taking the tour, you're going to see all the different things they've already done. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. So let's take a moment. First, again, take the tour. Okay? The second is PayPal invoicing, retirement financial planner, history weight loss tracker, monthly college budgets, daily work schedules, family monthly budget planner, employee absence schedule, event budget, vacation planner, D&B business verification, nutrition and exercise chart, project cost tracker, project planner, sales invoice tracker, college loan calculator, travel and expense report, flowcharts, wedding invite tracker, garden planner, monthly business budget, sales invoice tracker, flowcharts, movie list, timeline with milestones, and sales call log with organizer, which I must say is a wonderful tool. So see, as you look over this list, and you can take a peek at all of these at your leisure on your Excel tour, you can see that a lot of things that you might want to devise have already been done for you. Okay? There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We would like to take this time to say thank you excuse me, for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from the basic introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.